Welcome, everybody. Today we're doing a vacation giveaway. This is good for 4 days and 3 nights at a U.S. destination of your choice. This is paying for your hotel stay. It's at least a $750 value. And so I want to share my screen and we're going to do this giveaway. And this is for anybody that is subscribed to our AI newsletter, which is free. So I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to our free AI newsletter. We'll have a link in the description below. And you'll be entered to win automatically just by subscribing. You'll be entered to win one of these vacations. So
membership has its privileges. You're getting the value of the free newsletter, which is awesome. But then you also have a chance to win a trip, a vacation. So we're really excited to do this for you. So let's spin the wheel, Dave.
And by the way, we're going to be doing this on an ongoing basis. All right, so let's spin the wheel and see who the winner is this time. That's a lot of subscribers we have there, James. It's only going to keep growing as we keep giving away these vacations. So, all right, Tairi, congratulations. We blurred out the rest of your email. You are the winner. Congratulations. You win a 3-night, 4-day stay in a U.S. destination of your choice. You are the winner this time. If you want to be included in this drawing in the future, we're going to be doing them quite often. So be sure to subscribe to our free AI newsletter in the description box below. You'll automatically be entered to win. And we'll be doing these ongoing and giving away tons and tons of vacations. That's just our way of saying thank you for being one of our newsletter subscribers.
So membership has its privileges. Get the goodness from the AI newsletter. And in this case, get a free vacation. Thank you for your support. And we're going to continue to bring the heat in our upcoming videos on making money with AI.
Thanks, everybody. See you next time.